Now we're trying the FM transmitter or the Bluetooth FM transmitter from Amazon, and they all pretty much look like this. Different design, but they're all pretty similar. So now you can hear it just by plugging it. We're hearing static and hissing noise already.
A lot of static.
Is the music cranked up? Is it all the way?
Yeah, it's pretty darn high. Oh, there we are.
Yeah. I can hear noise, can you?
Yep.
Lower, just lower the music.
Okay.
Lower the volume. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can hear the hissing. Yeah.
It's really loud.
Yeah. So a lot of people do is what they turn up the volume to mask the hissing and all that stuff. The hissing, buzzing, and static. It's worse if you have the car cranked up.
Yeah.
Turn the car on, please. I mean, let's see. No, turn up the volume a little bit. My God, you hear the static?
Oh my God, yeah. You can also hear the primary ignition coils. You know, the spark coils.
This sounds horrible.
It does. Well, it doesn't help that we've got 12 spark plugs in this car. You know what I mean?
There are 12 spark.
Yeah, 12 spark plugs, 12 coils.
This is a 6-cylinder. Why would it be?
There's 2 coils, 2 plugs.
Oh, really? I didn't know anything about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's mess with my old one. Let's do this one. So now we'll plug this back in and.
So anyway, that's why.
See, it sounds horrible. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Now let's plug in mine.
Yeah. Be glad to. After that.
Just so you know the difference, and this is why you want to use the Gizmo Guy Gadget instead of.
On. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, that little guy really connects quickly, I must say. That's pretty darn good. All right. Let's see. I got my Wheezy air conditioning system.
Oh, that's the AC?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought, what the hell? What was that sound? Okay,
no.
so it's the AC. Okay.
It's kind of endearing.
Okay.
I like it. All right, so here we go. We'll throw something on here. This one right there.
Well, that still sounds horrible.
Wrong.
Wait, the channel is not right. Did you pair 87.9? And what's this? This is 87.5 bit.
Oh.
Right?
No wonder. No, 87.9.
Oh, is it? Wait, you know what? No, it's not.
So
Okay.
What's going on here?
Well, it's fine now. Wait,
We've got some interference.
we got some interference.
Yeah.
Yeah.